Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-embarking on an incredible journey to a place that is often called South America as best kept secret. A land of towering waterfalls, vast pristine rainforests, and a coastline that dances with the Atlantic. We're talking about Guyana, the land of many waters. Forget everything you think you know about South America. Because Guyana is a world of its own, a vibrant tapestry of nature that will leave you absolutely breathless. So grab your virtual passport, buckle up, and let's dive deep into the wild heart of this stunning country. When you think of Guyana, the first thing that should come to mind is water. The country's name itself is an Amerindian word meaning land of many waters, and it couldn't be more fitting. Guyana is crisscrossed by a complex network of massive rivers, like the Essequibo, the Demerara, and the Berbice. These aren't just streams. They're the lifeblood of the nation, acting as highways for remote communities and habitats for an incredible array of wildlife. Imagine cruising down the dark, tannin-stained waters of the Essequibo River, the third largest river in South America. On either side, the dense emerald-green jungle presses in, alive with the sounds of howler monkeys and exotic birds. It's a truly immersive experience that makes you feel like an explorer discovering a new world. These rivers are dotted with hundreds of islands, some larger than entire Caribbean nations. But the real crown jewel of Guyana's waters is the legendary Kaieteur Falls. Tucked away in the heart of the Amazon, Kaieteur is not just another waterfall. It's the world's largest single-drop waterfall by volume of water. Picture this, a massive curtain of water, twice the height of Victoria Falls and about 5 times taller than Niagara Falls, plunging 741 feet into a misty gorge below. The sheer power and roar of the falls are mesmerizing. Getting there is an adventure in itself, usually involving a small propeller plane that lands on a tiny airstrip in the middle of the jungle. But the moment you step out and walk to the viewpoint, with no railings and no crowds, you understand the raw, untamed beauty that defines Guyana. The mist from the falls supports a unique ecosystem, including the tiny golden rocket frog that lives its entire life inside the tank bromeliad plants. It's a perfect example of nature's magic. Beyond Kaieteur, there are countless other waterfalls to discover, like the stunning Orindic Falls. Unlike the dramatic plunge of Kaieteur, Orindic is a series of cascading terraces over semi-precious jasper. It is a natural water park where you can actually sit under the tumbling sheets of water and get a refreshing hydro massage. It is the perfect place to cool off and just soak in the beauty of the Pacaraima Mountains. Speaking of mountains, let's talk about Guyana's incredible highlands. The country is dominated by the Guyana Shield, one of the oldest geological formations on Earth. This has resulted in a landscape of dramatic, flat-topped mountains called tepui. These islands in the sky rise thousands of feet straight up from the jungle floor. Their summits isolated for millions of years, creating unique ecosystems with plants and animals found nowhere else on the planet. The most famous of these is Mount Roraima, a massive tepui that forms the triple border point of Guyana, Venezuela, and Brazil. Climbing Roraima is a once-in-a-lifetime trek, a journey through cloud forests and surreal rock formations to a summit that feels like another planet. It was this very landscape that inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's novel, The Lost World. Imagine standing on that plateau, surrounded by bizarre plants and eerie silence, looking out over a sea of clouds. It's a humbling and spiritual experience. But Guyana's landscape isn't just about dense jungle and towering mountains. Let's travel south to the Rupununi Savanna. As you emerge from the rainforest, the landscape dramatically opens up into vast, golden grasslands stretching as far as the eye can see. This is cowboy country, a region of sprawling ranches or vaqueros, where life moves at a slower pace. The Rupununi is a biodiversity hotspot, a seasonal wetland that floods during the rainy season, creating a temporary paradise for fish, birds, and giant river otters. Here you can search for some of South America's giants: the jaguar, the giant anteater, the harpy eagle, and the massive arapaima, one of the world's largest freshwater fish. Staying at a local eco-lodge, you can go on horseback rides across the savanna, take river safaris, and learn about the rich culture of the Amerindian communities who have called this land home for centuries. The Rupununi offers a completely different perspective on Guyana, showcasing its incredible diversity. And we can't forget the coast. Guyana has a 270-mile-long Atlantic coastline, but it's not your typical Caribbean white sand paradise. It's a dynamic wild coast, characterized by mudflats, mangrove forests, and a rich brown hue from the silt carried by the mighty rivers. This coastline is a critical habitat for sea turtles. From spring to summer, 4 species of marine turtles, including the giant leatherback, come ashore to lay their eggs on Shell Beach. It's an incredible natural spectacle, and conservation efforts here are crucial for the survival of these ancient mariners. Witnessing a massive leatherback turtle emerge from the ocean under the moonlight to nest is an unforgettable and deeply moving experience. The coastal plain is also where most of Guyana's population lives, a vibrant mix of cultures reflected in the bustling markets of Georgetown, the capital city. So, from the misty peaks of the Tepui to the golden plains of the Rupununi, from the thundering power of Kayatour Falls to the tranquil Blackwater rivers and the wild Atlantic coast, Guyana is a land of staggering contrasts and unparalleled natural beauty. It's a destination for the true adventurer, the nature lover, the explorer who wants to step off the beaten path and experience something raw, authentic, and truly wild. It challenges your perceptions and rewards you with experiences that will stay with you forever. It's a reminder that there are still corners of our planet that remain largely untouched, waiting to be discovered responsibly and respectfully. Guyana is more than just a place on a map. It's an invitation to explore the lost world. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey through the landscapes of Guyana. If you enjoyed this virtual adventure, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next trip. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever been to Guyana, or is it on your bucket list? Let me know. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.